This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Microsoft Edge is installed and Windows is up to date. That reduces unexpected prompts. Once ready, open Start, type Settings and press Enter to go straight there. From Settings, choose Apps, then Default Apps. This is where Windows stores browser associations. Make sure you keep settings open. Soon you'll change multiple file and protocol defaults. This first step funnels you directly to the controls you need without detours. So proceed now. Now you change the actual associations that make Edge the default. In Default Apps, scroll to Web Browser, click the current app and choose Microsoft Edge. Then click Choose Defaults by File Type or by Protocol change. HTML, HTTP, and HTTPS to Edge so links open correctly. Windows may show prompts asking you to confirm, accept them. Once done, double-check that both file types and protocols reference Edge. This ensures bookmarks, links, and HTML files consistently open in Edge. Finish by testing. Click a web link, open an HTML file, and launch a mail app link to verify Edge opens. If something didn't stick, make sure Edge is updated and run Windows Update. Outdated components sometimes revert defaults. If reversion persists, reinstall or repair Edge from Settings Apps Installed Apps, then repeat the association steps. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for third-party browser utilities or policy settings. If a program or group policy enforces defaults, you'll need to disable that before changes will hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.